I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Circle drone. First, carefully unbox your new drone and confirm all parts are included, such as the drone, controller, and charging cables. Next, fully charge the drone's battery, which typically takes about 90 minutes, ensuring it's ready for its maiden voyage. Then, download the dedicated Circle drone application onto your smartphone or tablet. Finally, perform the initial calibration of the drone's compass and gyroscope for optimal flight stability and precision. Once your drone is set up, connect your mobile device to its dedicated Wi-Fi network, usually named Circle Drone XXXX. The left joystick on your controller or in the app governs the drone's altitude and its rotational movement, known as yaw. The right joystick controls the drone's directional movement, forward, backward, and side to side. Begin by practicing gentle takeoffs and smooth landings in a wide-open space, maintaining a safe distance of at least 10 feet from obstacles. The Circle drone offers several intelligent flight modes to enhance your experience. Activate Follow Me mode, and the drone will autonomously track your movements, keeping you perfectly centered in the frame. With Waypoint mode, you can pre-program a precise flight path with up to 10 distinct points, allowing for complex aerial shots. Orbit mode enables the drone to circle a chosen subject at a consistent radius, typically between 5 and 20 meters. Also, explore gesture controls for intuitive, hands-free command of your drone. Prioritizing safety and proper maintenance ensures a long lifespan for your Circle drone. Always consult local aviation authorities for drone flight regulations in your area, as rules vary significantly. Before each flight, meticulously inspect the propellers and motors for any signs of wear or damage. Fly only in calm weather, avoiding winds exceeding 15 miles per hour, and keep the drone within your line of sight. Finally, store your drone and its batteries in a cool, dry place, ideally at a 50% charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.